CA for a list of special store locations and much more.
Why didn't you just go?
And come check us out.
As soon as we got there, I
Thank you for
out of my
choosing
car to
Domino's
about
Pizza for Brianna.
Hey. Yeah, hold on a second. I'm looking at the menu. Hey. You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
We don't have any nuggets.
Just, can you give me just 4 nuggets?
We don't have nuggets.
Shut up and listen to my order. Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away. Put 2 of them up your ass and give me 4 chicken McNuggets.
Just 1 second, please.
No.
Did it hang up? No, she said hold on. She's probably laughing.
Hello?
You know what I was thinking?
You want some chicken?
Yeah. You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
No, that's
Just, can you give me just 4 nuggets?
No, you're...
Shut up and listen to my order. I'm just wanting a 4-nugget thing. I'm trying to watch my calorie intake.
Alright, sure, I can do that for you. What's your phone number?
No.
No?
Fuck my ass. What else? Dude, listen.
You want me to do what to your ass?
Fuck you! Shut up. You piece of shit! You fucker! You fucking bitch! What's funny? What's funny? Don't you have something to say?
I think your language is funny.
Oh, man! Gotta lose some of the weight.
Pardon me?
Gotta lose some of the weight. I've been doing cock push-ups.
Wait.
I've been doing cock push-ups.
Oh, you've been losing weight. You've been doing push-ups?
No, I've been doing cock push-ups. Cock push-ups?
What is that?
See? It's fucking simple. Trying to watch my figure.
Oh, okay.
You shouldn't have fucked me so hard.
I shouldn't have watched you so hard?
You shouldn't have fucked me so hard.
When did that happen?
Hard fucking? Yeah, 1 is all you need. Me. Yeah, you don't give a shit! A junior Western bacon cheese. I love you.
Man, that's McDonald's.
I love you.
You love me? I love
No.
you too.
Yeah. Me, baby. Me.
Can I get your phone number? You sound like a cool guy.
You fucker! You fucking bitch! How much is that, sir?